Hello guys, you can see now morning light come on and base camp from here. Base camp is 6.5 kilometer. Still I am ascending, and from there I have to trek more around 1.5 kilometers, and I am comfortably going. So I am just now enjoying. You can see fun, enjoying the adventure with fun. You can see I am smiling. No issue with me. I am not tired. I have started the journey at 3 a.m. 3 a.m. At that time, it was completely dark, and you can see the surrounding. And Surendra, your name is Narendra. Oh, I have mistaken. His name is Narendra. He's a cute guy, and see my pony. His pony, Kalu, प्यार से you can see the stream and falls, and the old, he is telling that is the old path which has devastated at the time of 2013 flood, and few people are going in front of me. All are gents. By pony, they are going. So many people are trekking, walking while going by walk. I didn't take risk, and you can see far away one snow peak mountain, and mountain peaks all around. River Mandakini, sound of me, the river Mandakini. River Mandakini. For the time being, that's it. I will show you. Again, I will show you my journey. Really, it's chilled. Now temperature is 2, I think below 2. I have to see actual temperature. But this is the advantage that I am getting tower here. Network is there. For the time being, bye.